Whoa. Y'all look at this. Come here. Dad, come here. Get one.
Yeah.
There's a little chipmunk.
Not anymore.
Yeah.
What is it? Is it a bunny rabbit?
Probably whatever it was is not around.
Oh, this the hawk. You got it?
Brian, where are you taking a picture of?
It's the bird in the tree.
I can't see him now because you landed on it.
Lion Country Safari.
Where is it?
Still over there.
I can't see him.
You know what he's here for? Is all those grackles.
Oh,
You
yeah.
gotta follow those grackles around. That's what he eats.
When I worked at Troutman Sanders and we were up, Bank of America Plaza, and our floor was like where one of the balconies
whoa.
is at. So you would always see.
But that's what he used
I
to get.
know.
He's digging holes in their yard, and needed him to get the chipmunk. I was just saying, the one time that freaked me out the worst, I parked in the parking lot, and I'm walking in, the door you'd always come in, and right on the corner of the gutter, it was like that guy sitting right there. And I just was walking in and look up, and he's like right
Ready
there.
for you.
And then he just looked down at me and didn't bat an eye, looked around some more, and then I went on in, and then he took off and he went to the tree right over here at the parking lot. It
Yeah,
was like-
typically they
It was
don't.
he was close.
They never stay there that long.